Hi, I'm Felix Vivi Arcilla, and let's talk about what is cerebellum. The cerebellum is a key brain region involved in motor control, coordination, and other functions. The cerebellum is located in the posterior part of the brain, beneath the occipital lobes and behind the brainstem. It occupies the posterior cranial fossa and is separated from the cerebrum by tentorium cerebellar, a fold of dura mater. The main functions of it is motor control and coordinations. It regulates fine motor movement, balance, and postures. It helps smooth out voluntary movements initiated by the motor cortex. The second is balance and posture maintains equilibrium by integrating information from the inner ear, eyes, and muscles. Third is learning motor skills plays a critical role in a procedural learning that involve physical movements like playing a musical instrument or riding a bike. 4 is cognitive functions. Through primarily involved in motor control, the cerebellum has connections to areas of the brain associated with attention, language, and emotional regulations. In other facts, anatomy, the cerebellum has two hemispheres in a central region, called the vermis. Its surface is highly folded, increasing surface area for neural connections. Second is neurons. It contains more neurons than the rest of the brain, combined despite being much smaller in volume. Third is cerebellar ataxia. Damage to the cerebellum can cause cerebellar ataxia, leading to uncoordinated movement, tremors, and difficulty in balance. The fourth is connections. The cerebellum communicates with other parts of the brain through the three cerebellar peduncles, superior, middle, and inferior. That's all, guys. Thank you.